In this step, we're going to talk about the proper way to determine where your transmission pan is going to be located. As you can see, I have the hood open here. This is all engine components. One of the easy ways to tell on this particular vehicle is by the location of the engine oil dipstick. Now, this rule of thumb doesn't apply for every vehicle, but as you can see, we have engine oil here. That indicates that the pan on this side of your front-wheel drive vehicle is going to be for engine oil. The transmission dipstick is located all the way on the other side. And as you can see, we have automatic transmission fluid there. That's going to indicate that the transmission pan is on this side of the vehicle. From here, I'm going to slip underneath and actually locate the pan. All right. Right here is my transmission pan. It's a small one on this vehicle. I'm going to draw around it with my finger for you. This is it. Our filter and fluid is going to be located inside this pan. That is the proper way to locate your vehicle's automatic transmission pan.